1969 Chevrolet pickup. Bought it when I was in high school back in 1980. Had it ever since. Redone it, tore down the frame about 13 years ago. Built it back up. Been showing it ever since. Married my high school sweetheart in it. Went on the honeymoon. Raised our kids in it. Had it for 43 years. Got ready to do it. Tore it down March of 2010. And I was driving it in October 2011. About a year and a half. Friends of ours, they had a Thunderbird and they had a little animal to go with theirs. So they picked me out an alligator with the color and everything. Find something to go with it. One of the favorite memories I have since I've been showing it is a 12, 13-year-old kid come up to me and asked me had I been at the show a couple of weeks ago. I said, yeah, that was me. He said, I got my first kiss in that truck. So that just took a minute to end, buddy. Yeah, just replace everything, do it right. That way when you get done with it, you don't have to work on it anymore. You just drive and enjoy it.